Yet, aan zo boy food. Zo bad ik. Weet je? Yeah. Oh, he made that shit. I fucking didn't catch that. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh. Oh! Oh!
I'm cold. I'm fucking cold. 2-1. 2-1. 2-1. Hey, you're on my side. You're on my side. Genji. To left. To right.
Let me be a professional recorder now.
You got middle, okay? Hey, come on, that side. Sit tight. Good D. It's nice. Yeah, go boss. Boss, get man.
Ooh. We're missing Coco. Coco's at home.
To my side. Good. Back to left. Hey! Stay back. I got wing? Hey, one. We got. Okay, that's not it. Oh shit. Going up. Fuck up. Get that fucking ball, Darren. Go, Darren. Go.
Shit, that's double. He busted and busted again.
Good
You wanna use the hoodie? It's fucking hot, bro. It's warm.
Stay. My hand is cold.
Oh shit! Oh, oh! Almost, almost.
Jimmy, you call yourself, you're ref. Sweet, don't take too long.
Nigga, drive it in. You're quick to drive it in. Got it.
Watch that line, guys. Skin right. You good. Get in front of the screen right. Screen. Oi! Two step.
Hey, that nigga was. Chagorok man. That nigga was killed.
Get on down. Look back. Okay. Get up! Down!
Soda para. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's your spot.
Timarina.
Go ahead.
Thomas. You're fucking warm. You made your last shot, bitch.
I'm still hot.
Alright, let's go, Kevin. Start shooting. Oh yeah, right there, Jano. Yeah. ISO. He's calling ISO. Oh no, he's not. It's at the wrist. Still from Uyghurs. Alright, Uyghurs. Oh yeah.
He's in wing. Hey, I'm goal too. Goal.
Fuck no.
4-3.
Fucking lie there. You eh? Tight. Ooh. Why you so bad? Oh.
Yeah, we got cut it in. Good up. Hey, we do.
Hey, stop talking, just freaking play the game that we love. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Next month? Every Sunday, my
Hey, we
beautiful
could
peeps.
fucking play volleyball over there. Routi köve taxi yollar, köra uğraş köre etmek köbüz.
They took it off?
Someone fucking took it off. Nah. They fucking did it again. Fucking Syracuse, now let's go down Clinton. Fuck that. Taxi's badass. That's a badass running spot too.
Whoa.
Hey, ref. Okay.
Huh?
What? I don't know. Side. I'm not good today.
What's up, bro? I see 20. Big double.
I see 20 with the tag.
Fuck no, you buy Nick McDouble.
There we go.
Huh?
Double it and pass it to the next person.
Double it?
Double it and we pass it.
Oh,
Okay.
give it to
Pass it back to me.
yeah, $60. I had.
Let's use the gym money to go eat.